works like a big computer. It can do much more than a normal computer. Today we'll be learning about our brain, we'll answering some questions, and we'll also talk about some fun facts regarding our brain. So let's dive right in. So before learning about the brain, we'll clarify a doubt which many people have in this world about the brain. They think that the brain and the mind are both the same things, and if they think they are different, but they don't know the differences between them both. Brain is an organ which is in our skull here inside, and mind is referred to the collection of imaginations, emotions, and all which we feel: anger, sadness. So I think your doubt is clarified, and you know the difference between brain and mind. So let's answer some questions. How does our brain think? In order for our brain to think, we need nerve cells. Nerve cells transmit information from one place to another. This transfer of information is really important. Without this, we can't think. The nerve cells talk to each other. Yeah, talk to each other. For example, when you see a cat, you see a cat with your eyes. In the eyes, you have two types of cells called cone and rod. We will discuss about them in the next videos. This cone and rod cells detect the picture, like the cat you are seeing, and that picture is transmitted to your nerve cells into your brain. The brain then processes the information and it knows that, yeah, I'm seeing a cat. So that's a lot of information at a time, and this transmission happens at very fast speeds. Very fast. So think about it. It's just the eyes are not the world. It has nose, mouth, ears, that pain receptors, that all information will be transmitted to the brain and it has to process them. That is why brain is called the most powerful computer in the world. So let's move on to the question number 2. How does our brain controls our body? So let's take another example. Well, when we walk on a street, our eyes see the street and send that information to the brain. And then the brain decides where to walk and where not to walk. You don't want to get your head onto a pole, right? So the brain then sends information to your legs, and your legs make movement and you walk. But sometimes the brain is overexcited and it makes some funny decisions and you fall. This is how your brain controls your body. So guys, this is not a question, this is just an information. You would know Elon Musk, right? The CEO of the aerospace company, SpaceX, and also the CEO of the electric car company Tesla. And he is also a CEO and founder of a company called Neurolink. This company plans to put tiny microbots or tiny robots into your brain, not your brain, but the brain of people who are disabled, like they can't move their legs, or they can't see, they are blind. So to help them. He has a very nice thought, right? So, but this technology needs up to 20 to 30 years of research. This was just an information, guys. If you liked it, please take the video which I posted in the description from our science YouTuber Joy Scott. So now let's discuss some fun facts about our brain. Brain surgeries have been found in the Stone Age also. Wow! They did brain surgeries also in Stone Age? The brain is made up of 75% of water. So even a small amount of dehydration can have negative effect on your brain's functions. The largest brain of any animal on the earth is of whale. It weighs about 20 pounds. A human brain grows 3 times in the first year of its life. It keeps growing until you are 18 years old, and after 18 years it stops growing. Our brain, means human brains, has at least 100 billion neurons. Man, 100 billion neurons. A myth is there that we only use about a 10% of our brain, but that's wrong. We use all of it, but we also use 10% more when we are sleeping. Our brain thinks a lot. I said it before also, but the information transferred from one nerve cell to other nerve cell has the speed of about 250 miles per hour or more than 400 kilometers per hour. More than 400 kilometers per hour. You know, our brain doesn't feel pain. It gets the information that we feel pain, but it does not feel pain because it doesn't have any pain receptors on it. You know, our brain gets smaller as we get older. Yeah, that's true. This usually happens between the middle age, when we are 50s. During mummification process or when the pharaohs died and they were built pyramids to keep them in the pyramids like mummies, then the Egyptian people would remove the pharaoh's brain from his nose. Really, from his nose. So let's end the fun facts here. So let's end the video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If I have earned your subscription, please subscribe my channel. I have kept all the videos in the description of the video. And if you want any other videos and you have any other doubts related to brain, please put it in the comments. And if you have any ideas for the next videos, also put them in the comments. Take care and bye.